Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this cute and pretty flowers. Now these flowers are very easy to do as we are using basic crochet stitches like double crochets, half double crochets and single crochets. Moreover, I'll be using two color variations. The center portion will be done using one colored yarn, and for making the petal part, I'll be using another color. So let's see how this is worked out. For making these flowers, the materials that we need are a 3 mm crochet hook. These are the two cotton yarns I will be using. For making the center portion, I'll use the peach colored yarn, and for making the petals, I'll be using this dark purple colored yarn. And scissors. So let's begin. Now starting with this peach colored yarn, work a slip knot and make 7 chains. So once you are done with the 7 chains, slip stitch into the first chain. So in this way we have formed a ring. Now we'll be working inside this ring. For the first round, work 1 chain and inside this ring work 24 double crochets. So just continue like this till you have 24 double crochets. After working the 24 double crochets, I have slip stitch on top of the first double crochet work and cut my yarn. Now for making the petals, we'll be using the dark purple colored yarn. Join the yarn into the next stitch. Now this is the stitch where we had slip stitch. So we will not be joining the yarn into this stitch. So moving to the next stitch, insert your hook and join this yarn. Now work 1 chain and into the same space work 1 half double crochet. Moving to the next stitch, again work 1 more half double crochet. So in total I have done with 2 half double crochets. Now work 4 chains. Skip the next stitch and into the next 3 stitches work 1 half double crochet each. So skipping this stitch and moving to the next. So I have done with 3 half double crochets. Again work 4 chains. Skip the next stitch and work 3 half double crochet into next 3 stitches. So the sequence of this round is to work 3 half double crochets into first 3 stitches followed by 4 chains. Skip the next stitch, again work 3 half double crochets into next 3 stitches followed by 4 chains. So just continue with this pattern till you reach the end of the round. So after working the last set of 3 half double crochets, I have worked 4 chains. Now here we have 2 stitches left. So we'll be skipping the last stitch, and the first stitch which we had skipped initially while starting with this round, we need to make 1 half double crochet into that stitch. And now we'll be slip stitching on top of the first half double crochet worked. So that finishes our second round. Now we have done the rough framework for our petals. Now as you can see, we have worked groups of 3 half double crochets separated with chain 4, and in between we have skipped 1 stitch. So in total we have worked this for 6 times, as we'll be having 6 petals for our flower. Now we'll be working the third round. Now for starting with the third round, don't work any chain. Just go into the same space and work 1 single crochet. Now moving into the chain 4 space, we need to work a particular sequence. First we'll be working 2 half double crochets. So I've done with 2 half double crochets. Now into the same space work 7 double crochets. So I've done with the 7 double crochets. Now we'll be working 2 more half double crochets into the same space. Now moving to the top of the middle half double crochets of the 3 half double crochet group, work 1 single crochets. So in this way we have worked one of our petals. So in the similar manner we'll be working 5 more petals. So I shall explain you in detail the sequence. Now work a single crochet into the middle half double crochet. Into the chain 4 space, work the sequence, that is 2 half double crochets followed by 7 double crochets and again 2 half double crochets, all worked into the chain 4 space. Again moving to the middle half double crochet of the 3 half double crochet work 1 single crochet. So just repeat the sequence for 5 more times. So after working the last petal, I have slip stitch on top of the first single crochet worked and cut my yarn. So that completes our flower. So you can work out these flowers using either woolen yarn or cotton yarn. This one I have done using a woolen yarn and these two I have done using a cotton yarn. So that all depends upon your choice. And one more thing, you can also attach a button or a bead in the center portion as I have done over here, or you can just leave it like this. In both the cases the flower looks pretty. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.